Good afternoon sa inyo, and I am Ria Palma Rogas, wishing you the best Yuletide season, Christmas season in Dasmariñas, Cavite from Area 1, Similac Street at Barangay San Esteban. And this is me, how I look this season. And I would like to thank everyone, the hairdresser, my hairdresser in a salon in our local market. Thank you so much for this good haircut of mine. Yon. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank everybody who support me in the net and every person who has a happy heart to me. Thank you so much for the sincere and loving concern for my family and myself. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. And salamat po sa support nyo on my YouTube blog, Ria Palma Rogas channel, Sagro Air channel, Rogas Palmaria channel, Ria Rogs channel, and Ria Rogas channel. Thank you so much for support. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. And all my pictures, sana po, i-like nyo na. Yung mga friends ko sa Facebook, i-like nyo na po ako. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. See you next time.